Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about the review of the Fenty Beauty products. I know I'm late on their foundation and everything, but yeah, I'm just going to quickly review some of the products that I tried today with you guys and let you guys know my thoughts. So this is the finished look, but here is all the products that were sent to me by Sing Group on Fenty Beauty. So yeah, I started with their eyeshadow palette, which I really like a lot. I like the fact that you can mix and match all the colors to create as many looks as you like. I used 3 palettes in this video just to show you guys what the color looks like as opposed to using just one palette. And as you guys can tell, I actually used this green one in my previous video, which is number 10. And look at that pigment, guys. The pigmentation of these palettes are amazing. I mean, they're quite worth the price, and I love the fact that they are matte shades, they're shimmery shades, and they are very opaque and highly pigmented, like highly pigmented. I mean that because I really like the fact that there is minimal to no fallout at all, and I also like that the fact that you only need to apply them once to get that pigmentation that you're going for. As you guys can tell in this video, those are the 3 palettes that I've got, so I decided to show you guys by using one of each palette at a time, just to show you guys the color combo of the palettes. And they sent me their brushes as well, and their primer is so lightweight, guys, very lightweight on the skin, and I love the fact that it gives that subtle glow to the skin as well. And I love those brushes. The bristles are so soft, and I love the fact that you can use those brushes for as multi-purpose brushes, so if you have one, you're good to go. And the foundation, guys, that is the most amazing part. I don't know how she did this, but sis, she did this. Like, the foundation is very lightweight on the skin, and on the skin, I mean, and at the same time it gives that full coverage, guys. Look at that, full coverage to the skin, and at the same time it's so lightweight on the skin. I don't know how she did that, but she definitely did that. It doesn't give any cakey feel whatsoever on the skin, and at the same time it felt so seamless and blends really well in my skin. I don't know if I have a shade lighter, but I'm quite loving the coverage of the foundation, and I'm very late on it, but I'm loving it so far. And the longevity, guys, I'm going to show you guys what the foundation looks like at the end of this video. And also the concealer, guys, the coverage is wow. It does not settle on fine lines or anything at all. It gives that full perfect coverage to my skin, and I'm thinking, how did she do this? Because it's so lightweight, and a little goes a long way, which I am loving at the moment, and it blends in seamlessly in the skin. As you can tell, guys, look at that, blends in really well, and the coverage is wow. So I also tried the concealer, yeah, the contour shades as well. This one is the perfect match for me, even in real life and on camera. I'm loving it. So guys, it's so creamy, and it blends in really well into my skin. I love that shade as well. Very easy to blend on the skin, and it felt really lightweight on the skin as well. So as you can tell, it's not cakey or blotchy or whatever, but it just felt really nice on my skin. As you can tell, very easy to blend. And I move on with my favorite, guys, hands down my favorite. I've been using this for a while, even before this video, like long time ago. This powder, guys, if you don't have this, go and get it. And I mean, go out there and get this powder, guys. It takes away all shine, or all, how do I put it, it gives you that flawless and seamless finish to your look. Even if you have used another powder before and you want to like touch up your makeup, that powder is the way to go. And guys, look at that brush. This brush is so soft. I don't know how to explain. It's so soft, and it makes application of any product feel seamlessly on your skin. And guys, the setting spray, I don't know how she did this spray, but it gives that light feathery feel to the skin. I don't know, I can't explain it, but it's not like you spray water like directly on your skin. It's so soft as it touches your skin, and it felt really nice on the skin. And it has a subtle nice smell to it, which I really like a lot. And last but not the least is the lipstick, guys. The applicator is just one thing that I would highly recommend, guys. It gives you that flawless application to your lips, and yeah, really, I am loving the shade as well. I really like the, Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. If you've tried it, you know I'm saying the smell, the feel of the lips, the fact that it doesn't go like, you know, jammy on the lips. That's really, really good. I love it. And yeah, that completes today's look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, before I go, I actually use this body lava as well. Oh my god, the glow is real. Look at that, guys. I also use the brush that I used to apply the foundation, I believe, on my skin, and I love how lightweight it is and that glow, guys. Look at that glow. That completes today's look, guys. I am really, really loving the finished look. I love the foundation and I love the concealer as well. So far so good. I'm really, really a huge fan of most of the products that I've used so far. And look at that, guys. That is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. Have you tried any of the Fenty Beauty products so far? If you haven't, go ahead and try it. So this is the finished look. After 8 hours, I came back on camera to show you guys what the my makeup looks like after 8 hours. No top up, no nothing, no touch up, no nothing. After 8 hours, guys, after running helter skelter, going there and there, I came back on camera. I look tired, obviously, but just to show you guys what the foundation and how long it lasts and the whole shit, what it looks like after 8 hours. So what do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. Have you tried them before? So far so good. I am loving the foundation and the concealer. I know I have a bit of false hair on there, but obviously 8 hours, guys. 8 hours. I mean, it's just an amazing result in my opinion. And if there's any product so far that you've tried from this video, just feel free to comment down below and let me know what you guys think. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thumbs up this video, and yeah, see you in my next one. Bye, guys.